So what can you do if, and this is happening a lot, if your parents who may be in their 70s or 80s or 90s or over 100, if their mind starts to go and they aren't able to really function, what are your options as their child? Well, one option that I'd like to talk about for a minute is to get an adult guardianship, basically a guardianship where you become their guardian like they were your guardian when you were under the age of 18. There's a legal process that we have to go through. Typically, it's going to require a doctor or other healthcare provider to say that they can no longer manage their own affairs. And then it typically requires us to hire an attorney for them to at least review things, typically meet with and attempt to communicate with the disabled adult. And then it's going to require a court hearing. And notice to everybody that might be interested in that proceeding. So all of the siblings, etc. So if your folks are starting to lose it, get this in place. In my own life, we had some difficulties with a family member of mine who had Alzheimer's bad, needed to be in a memory care unit, and was walking out. And so I had to, on an emergency basis, run to court to get someone appointed their guardian so that the staff at that facility could actually require them to stay there, because if they left, they would be a harm to themselves. But because they hadn't been declared incapacitated, the staff had to let them walk out by law. So if things are starting to slip, people are starting to go downhill, talk to an attorney, talk to their doctor, so that you can make sure that you maybe get this in place before that high level of memory care is needed and they can just walk out while you're waiting for a court date.